what's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless and stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl Sera.
Tuxx.
And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe down below. Today we are here in Phillip Island. It's such a beautiful day. Like, it's the best day since we've been here. It's blue skies, the sun's out, it's beamy, there's like no wind. It's just so beautiful. So we're here at the chocolate factory, and we're here with the fam. Before Chris goes off, we're just gonna go and see the chocolate factory, and then we're gonna shoot off and drop her off at the train station for work. So let's go.
Boom.
A taxi? Wow. That's a double-decker train. Double-decker train. Oh, it's the train moving. Let's sit and look at the penguin. Look.
Ticket, let's go. Show us
This is my ticket.
Yes.
But I feel like I'm at Willy Wonka.
Did you get a ticket? It's not the golden ticket, but it's a ticket. Danny, are you excited?
Danny, smile.
Oh, less than 8 is ticket. Oh, man. Everyone pays for one. She wants a photo. Is it chocolate yum? Is it yummy? Oh. Authentic.
I think it's
Yum, huh?
yeah, just yum.
Of course it is. Yummy, yes.
I want to take you guys over here back into time. You got one kid over here with his belly up. This is Jason after a hard day of work. This is Jason here after work. This is Jason back in SAMOA.
Right there, fam.
Look at him now, he's growing up.
Look at him now. Whoa!
It's not hot.
So the lovely lady has brought us some. So the lovely lady has brought us some samples to try. Let's go.
This is all the story.
6 of you, I'll give you 3 each for training.
Yes. They are.
You can take the whole picture and share it with them.
That's it, y'all.
So family, as you can see, everyone's having fun playing these games. All you gotta do is just scan your ticket that you get from the entrance. Go for it, go for gold. Get as many chocolates as you can. Sarah is trying to go for number 3. Number 3?
Number 3, guys, number 3.
Oh.
So guys, I finished this one, but lucky my husband didn't play his one. Let's see if we can win my husband a chocolate.
Yes! Oh! Hey! Don't be scared. It's okay.
There's a machine over there, the screen.
Oh. I thought this was actual chocolate. I'm running up the day like, hey, come, yeah. Yeah, I go to Joy and they're like, oh, it's not chocolate. I'm like, hey. But yeah.
Put it here. Pick up all your cards. Pick up all your small cards like this.
Bro, why are you exposing my skin?
Corvette.
Put all your monster Tuxx in it, nice one.
Alright family, so we've come to the end of our vlog. Haven't we, my love?
Huh?
We have come to the end of our vlog. Oh, it looks dark, man.
I'm dark.
So anyways, fam, yeah, we've come to the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, fam, thank you for the love. And we'll see you guys on the next vlog.
See who's in the next vlog.
And if you're new, don't forget to go down, push the subscribe button. If you want to leave a comment, do what you gotta do. But as for us, to you, don't forget
to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
like fam. God bless.
Mwah.